Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, my cold is really bad. This is day 4 of me being miserable and I can't do anything about it. So if you can't hear me, I apologize. But what I'm bringing you guys today is the Walgreens ad preview for April 28th to May 4th. It's going to be a new month. It's also going to be a new month for the booklet. So the deals that we have going on right now are that those deals end on Saturday, and you guys will need to grab a new booklet or Walgreens booklet this coming Sunday. But I'm here to share with you guys some good deals. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of hidden deals coming up. I mean, there is some deals that I saw from walking through the ad, but I have a feeling stuff's going to surprise us, so we're going to have some really good couponing week. So as you guys see the front page, they do have Crest toothpaste for $3.99, and then we're getting dollar off coupons in the Sunday's paper, making them $2.99. So you guys would pay $8.97 for 3 of those things, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making them $3.97 or $1.32. I would not do that deal, but if you guys are desperately in needed of stuff like that, then go for it, but otherwise do not do that deal. Hopefully there is a surprise digital coupon for us that has a better deal. Now this deal is going to be hot. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. It is all laundry detergent. Now it's going to be $2.99, and most stores do not do rain checks on deals of the week, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that. But they have the liquid and the pods for $2.99. We are getting $2 off coupons for the pods, and we're getting $1 off coupons for the liquid. So you guys would end up paying, you guys can use both of those coupons because they're 2 different coupons. You guys would end up paying $2.98 for 2 of those. But then you guys will get 3,000 points, making it a 2-cent moneymaker. So absolutely free. These are going to fly off the shelf. I am just giving you guys a heads up on that. People are going to go crazy over that. But just don't, take everything off the shelf. I'm a person who just grabs a couple, and then I'll go back a different day and grab more. I do not clear off the shelves at all, but some of you guys really love that stuff. Go for it, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up for the others who don't get a chance. Be prepared. And then the Kellogg's cereal is $1.88. Looks like there's going to be an online coupon for 50 cents, making it $1.38, so there could be an okay deal with that. Almay and Revlon makeup are going to be 40% off again. Now, I don't know if there's going to be another booklet with a deal in it. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. But if you guys want to do that deal, go for it. But we do have some coupons that do expire on the 4th or 5th. So definitely, if you have coupons left and you guys want to get some other deals, definitely do that deal. They have some here where you spend 20, you get 5,000 points. So if you guys need to get diapers and like Tide, you might be able to do that deal. I'm going to try to figure out a scenario for that. Otherwise, if not a big deal for me. And then let's just go to the next page. Here we got some food deals. Nothing really popping out at me. So I'm going to start yawning all of a sudden. I could not sleep very well last night from being sick. Here we got Crunch and Butterfinger, 2 for $1. Now there is 50 cents off of 2 coupons in the 4-7 Retail Me Not, so you guys can end up getting those for $0.25 a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I see people stock up on that stuff like crazy, so I'm going to try to do a couple of those deals. Here we got some coupons that you guys can use if you guys need some, sugar and cooking oil. And then here we got paper plates for $1.99 with the Walgreens coupon ad. So if you guys need to do something like that. Puffs are 4 for $5. We are getting 25% off coupons. I don't know if that's the greatest deal. Usually they're 99 cents. So it's up to you guys if you guys need stuff right away. Cleaning products, nothing really popping out. One thing I do want to give you guys a heads up is, from what I've heard, is May 1st is when the Easter stuff will be going 90% off. Not 100% positive, but just wanted to see if you guys knew anything about it, but I heard about May 1st. So, here we got Aveeno hair products, buy one, get one 50% off. Now, there are coupons to print on coupons.com if you guys are interested in that. Pantene is 3 for $12. We are getting a 5 off of 3 coupon, making them $7. And then the Herbal Essence our 2 for $10. We're getting to 3 off of 2. Plus, if you guys buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. Not the greatest, but hey, there might be some stuff that surprises us. I always keep my eyes open for stuff like that with digital coupons. Deodorant is buy one, get one 50% off. It looks like it's going to be like that all month long. Lots of makeup is buy one, get one 50% off. Another Aveeno sun stuff is buy one, get one 50% off. If you spend 20, you get 5,000 points. Wet n Wild, we're getting $1 off deals. So there's that. I think it's going to be kind of a slower week with Walgreens, but I'm hoping some stuff pops out at us on that. Other than that, there's really nothing that's popping out that is a huge deal. I just say the all deal is going to be the best. And then we're on the last page. They do their ads a little bit different than the actual ads, but they got some toys. Sorry, you guys can't see this. They got some toys. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then they got their summer stuff too. So just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you need to stock up, but there might be some special deals for us that might pop up later, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.